The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from North Point Light, Wisconsin to Wind Point, Wisconsin, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:11 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles west of Bayside to 23 nautical miles west of Milwaukee to 39 nautical miles west of Oak Creek, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters.